Most people believe you can't move to Europe without a job offer. And that belief is quietly destroying opportunities that could change your entire life. Because, what if I told you? There's a way to enter a European country, live there legally, search for a job on the ground, attend interviews face to face, and actually get hired, without having a job offer first? Sounds risky. Sounds uncertain. And honestly, that's why most people never try. But here's the surprising truth. The Czech Republic offers exactly that opportunity. And almost nobody is talking about it. Let me tell you a story. Jason Miller, a 29-year-old support specialist from Texas, had been trying for months to land a job in Europe. He applied online every day. Nothing. No replies. No interviews. Just silence. He started to think maybe it wasn't possible. Maybe companies just didn't want foreign applicants. But then one evening, he discovered something that changed everything. The Czech Republic job seeker visa. At first, he didn't take it seriously. Why would a country let me come without a job? He thought. But what happened next completely shifted his reality. And in this video you're going to learn exactly how. Because here's the problem. Most people get this completely wrong. They misunderstand the process. They confuse it with other visas. Or they don't prepare properly. And that leads to a rejection. Or worse. Wasted time, money, and missed opportunity. So today, you're going to get the complete step-by-step guide to the Czech Republic job seeker visa in 2026. No confusion. No fluff. Just a clear strategic breakdown. By the end of this, you won't just understand the visa. You'll know how to actually use it to change your life. Let's start with the basics. What is the Czech Republic job seeker visa? In simple terms, it's a long-term residence permit that allows you to stay in the Czech Republic for up to 9 months while searching for a job. No job offer required. Let that sink in. You can live in the country, apply for jobs local, and attend interviews in person. But here's where it gets interesting. Unlike some other countries, this visa is specifically designed for highly qualified individuals. And this is where it gets dangerous. Because not everyone qualifies. So let's break down the eligibility. To apply for the Czech Republic job seeker visa in 2026, you typically need a university degree. Bachelor's, master's, or higher. And your degree should be relevant to your intended job field. But here's the twist most people miss. It's not just about having a degree. It's about how you position yourself. Second, you need proof of sufficient funds. You must show that you can support yourself during your stay. Because the Czech government does not want you relying on public resources. And this is where many people fail. They underestimate how much money they need. Or they don't present their finances clearly. Third, you need accommodation proof. This means showing where you will stay after arriving. Temporary bookings, rental agreements, or invitation letters. And here's the surprising truth. Even small details here matter. Fourth, you need health insurance. Valid for your entire stay. No shortcuts. Now at this point you might be thinking, this sounds similar to other job seeker visas. And you're right. But here's the key difference. The Czech Republic is one of the most affordable countries in Europe. Which means your money lasts longer. And that gives you more time. More flexibility. More chances to succeed. Now let's go back to Jason. When he first discovered the visa, he thought it would be easy. Just apply and go. But here's the problem. He almost made a huge mistake. He didn't prepare a clear job search plan. He didn't tailor his documents. And he underestimated the importance of his application. That nearly cost him everything. But then, he changed his approach. And this is where everything shifted. Now let's walk through the exact step-by-step process. Step 1. Prepare your documents. This includes your passport, degree certificates, proof of funds, accommodation details, and health insurance. But here's what most people don't realize. Your documents are not just paperwork. They are your story. They need to show that you are serious, prepared, and capable. Step 2. Write a strong purpose statement. This is where you explain why you want to work in the Czech Republic, what kind of job you're targeting, and how you plan to find it. And here's the surprising truth. This part can make or break your application. Because you're not just asking for permission, you're proving your intent. Step 3. Submit your application at the Czech embassy or consulate. Attend your appointment. Provide biometrics. Answer questions. And this is where it gets emotional. Because now, it's real. Doubt starts creeping in. What if they reject me? What if I missed something? But here's the truth. Preparation beats fear. Every time. Step 4. Wait for the decision. This can take weeks or even months. And patience becomes your biggest test. But here's what you should do during this time. Prepare for your job search. Research companies. Update your resume. Start networking. Because when you arrive, time matters. Now let's talk about what happens after you arrive in the Czech Republic. This is where the real game begins. You now have limited time, up to 9 months, to find a job. And here's the truth most people don't want to hear. This is not a vacation. This is a mission. And this is where most people fail. They arrive excited, but unprepared. They apply randomly, wait for responses, and slowly lose momentum. But Jason did something different. He treated his job search like a full-time job. Every day. Applying. Networking, not improving. Learning basic Czech phrases. Understanding the market. And here's what happened next. Within 3 months, he started getting interviews. Within 5 months, he received an offer. But wait. Here's where it gets even more powerful. Once you get a job, you can switch your visa to an employee card, which allows you to stay and work long-term. And eventually, you can even apply for permanent residence. Now think about that. You started with no job, no employer, just a plan. And now, you're building a life in Europe. That's the opportunity here. But here's the problem. It only works if you use it correctly. So let's talk strategy. Because this is where everything changes. First, target the right industries. The Czech Republic has strong demand in it: engineering, manufacturing, and business services. If your skills match these areas, your chances increase significantly. Second, adapt your resume. European CV formats are different. Clean.a. Simple. Focused. No unnecessary details. This small change can dramatically improve your results. Third, network aggressively. This is huge. Many jobs are filled through connections, not job boards. So use LinkedIn. Attend events. Reach out to people. Because sometimes, one conversation can change everything. Now here's something most people don't expect. Rejection. Lots of it. And this is where it gets emotional. You start doubting yourself, questioning your decision, feeling stuck. But here's the truth. Rejection is part of the process. Jason faced it too. Dozens of rejections. But he kept going. And that persistence. That's what changed everything. Now let's address the biggest fear. What if I don't find a job? This is real. And you need to be prepared. Because if your visa expires, you must leave the country. No exceptions. This is why planning is critical. Have extra savings. Stay focused. Keep improving. Because this is not just a dream. It's a calculated move. Now let's zoom out. Why the Czech Republic? What makes it worth it? Affordable cost of living. Central location in Europe. Baradi. Growing job market. High quality of life. When you combine all of this, it becomes a powerful opportunity. But here's the final insight. This visa is not magic. It's a tool. And tools only work if you use them correctly. Some people will apply, do the bare minimum, and fail. Others will prepare, execute, and succeed. The difference Mindset. Strategy. Action. So now imagine this. You're walking through the streets of Prague. New country. New life. New opportunities. You're nervous, but confident. Because you understand something most people don't. You understand the system. You have a plan. And that changes everything. Most people will watch this, feel inspired, and do nothing. But you're different. You're thinking, planning, taking action. And that's what separates you. So take the first step. Prepare your documents. Build your strategy. Move forward. Because this opportunity is real. But it won't wait forever. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe. Because the next video might be the exact roadmap you need to turn this into reality. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.